Hello YouTube. Today we are unboxing Nepenthes ventricosa tropical pitcher plant, which came from Sarracenia northwest. This is a highland species that can be found among rainforests in Southeast Asia at 1,000 to 2,000 meters above sea level. The Philippines is a great place to find it in its natural habitat. It's perfect for windowsill growing. I have this plant getting only about 2.5 hours of direct sunlight and indirect sunlight for the rest of the day. It came in a 4-inch pot with dried sphagnum moss and perlite. Humidity varies and it prefers 60% or higher to produce pitchers. It shouldn't be a problem if kept inside on a sunny windowsill. To help increase humidity, I mist the plant once almost every day. Use distilled water and allow to drain. I water mine almost every day since it gets pretty hot here in Zone 9. Best to keep temperature above 70 degrees during the day and about a 10 to 15 degree drop at night. Tonight it is a low of 63 degrees Fahrenheit and a high of 83 degrees Fahrenheit in the day, which is the first day of summer. It has been growing great. The pitcher size range from 4 to 9 inches. Although it won't grow tall, it will grow more pitchers over time. The leaves turn to a solid green. Too much direct sunlight causes the leaves to turn red or yellow. Its pitcher color is from an ivory white to red. Hopefully it turns more red as it gets bigger. Besides osmocote fertilizer pellets and live insects, Nepenthes also can digest freeze-dried bloodworms and flake fish food. If the pitcher is dry, add distilled water to prevent pitcher from dying. There's another pitcher forming here.